Infotech channel. So in this session, I would like to explain Bootstrap 5 a gallery system. Okay, I'm going to create a simple gallery system. Okay, using Bootstrap 5. Okay, let me share my screen. I'm going to create a new file here. Get new file. Now I can save the file with bs5 gallery dot html. Okay, or let me write the code here. bs5 simple gallery. Now I'm gonna add here a bs file link. Sorry, bs file link. Just add bs file link, link tag, css bootstrap.min.css. Now for the body, we wanna apply here one class is called bg secondary. Okay, right click open default browser. So we're gonna apply a bg secondary here. Now just make it one more like I'm just adding here my custom color. So I'm just adding a busy custom. Okay, so trying to create style tag. Okay, I'm gonna add here busy custom. Okay, well for this I'm just adding a background color dark dark gray. Dark gray. I'm gonna hover on this one, just applying, it's changing to here dark gray color. So go there, just reload this page. So I'm gonna apply here dark gray color. Now we need to create some program there. So br, I'm gonna take a container. Okay, and I'm going to take some h2 tag, bootstrap file, gallery, and let me take one row. Inside I'm taking here call excel4, or you can take here directly call. Okay, so insert I'm taking one anchor tag, and let me apply here an image. Okay, and let me take here a bird, and so I'm gonna apply here an image tag, image. So here we can give image and bird. Let me add here a bird. And now we need to add a class. I'm just adding here an image fluid class, and make it image thumbnail. Okay, now here why I'm taking an href as an image in the sense whenever user click on this image tag, so I need to show like a bigger size of an image so that I'm just applying a same path in the href also. Okay, now let me run this one on the browser. Right click, open in default browser. Okay, so here we have an bs5 gallery and an image is there. Now I'm gonna set here like class text white and make it to text center. And for this, I'm just make a one more copy of this call and make it here. Now we're gonna remove and just make it to one more item, that is we can make it here a crystal, and just make it to this one crystal, and we'll give here an alternative text, crystal, and image fluid, and thumbnail class. So go there, just reload this page. Look at this, we just place here and bird and crystal. Now I'm gonna enter here some text below that. Okay, I'm trying to take one h2, just write here a bird. Then the same thing I'm gonna write here the class white and text center. Okay, just you can copy this class name and you can make it in for h2 also. Just go to there, just reload this page. Yeah, just make it text here. Okay, now look at this, we have an underline here. So in order to remove this underline, so we have one class is there, we can write here text decoration none. So we use here text or decoration none. I'm gonna go to this browser, just reload this page. Look at this, so we just remove this text decoration. Now I'm gonna add here an h4. I need a smaller font size, so just add here an h4. The same, I'm just copying this h4 and we can paste it for the crystal also. I can write here a crystal. Okay, the same, I'm gonna copy this same column, just make a copy of this and remove this crystal and just make one more image. I'm gonna write leaf. I'm gonna write here leaf.jpg and just write here leaf. Okay, we can write here the leaf. The leaf. Now go to this browser once, just reload this page. Look at this. Let's make here a leaf. Okay, and we're gonna copy this text decoration class for the anchor tag. And now go to this browser, just reload this page. I'll just remove here. Okay, now similarly, let me make a copy of this same row. I'm gonna copy of this row. Okay, I can paste it one more row here. Okay, now I'm gonna change the images. Okay, let me remove this one. Okay, we're gonna add a butterfly. Start here. Butterfly. Just add here. Butterfly. So just add butterfly. Similarly, let me change 2 and 3 and just add here a fish. So here also I'm gonna add to this fish image, fish.jpg. Here also we can add alternative text fish, and here also just add here fish. Now I'm going to modify this images also. Let's add here water. I'm gonna add here water. Water.jpg. So we can write here the water. Now go to this browser once, just reload this page. See, just make a gallery here. Okay, so there is a simple gallery you can using this Bootstrap. We can create like this. Okay, so when I'm click on this board, I'm gonna expand. Again, you can go back this one. You can click on this crystal. The image get be expanded. Again, we can go back this. can click on this and you can try to expand this. Okay, so like this we can use a simple gallery